Welcome back to Align and Thrive with Neha Lodha. Today's episode is dedicated to the silent heroes, the ones who cook, clean, raise, soothe, manage, care, and rarely hear thank you. To the homemakers, to the housewives, to the home queens, this one's for you. Neha, you always say housewives aren't just managing a home, they're creating energy. Let's start there.
Always get this question in my mind that why do homemakers struggle to prioritize them? Because they have been taught their value lies in what they do, not how they feel. They tell themselves that I have to do this, how can I take a time for myself, I have to run behind this, and it's very selfish to rest, and they always think and taking care of others. But the truth is, you are not just managing those work, you are managing the vibe of whole home. So you need to be joyful, you need to enjoy yourself. If you are exhausted and you are just done with the things, you pass on that energy, that vibe all around the home. And that's the reason self-care and prioritizing yourself.
How do emotions transfer through the home?
So yes, you are emotional anchor of your home, right? So kids, husband, parents, they feel your energy more than your to-do list. So if you are resentful, overwhelmed, drained, then your acts of love that really feel heavy. But if you are centered, light, connected to yourself, loving the flow, then that smallest gesture even becomes magic for them. And that's why I always say homemaker aren't the helpers, they are the creators of happiness, they are the creators of home. So then your smallest gestures also becomes a magic for you. And that's why whenever you are happy, you are centered, you are loving the vibes, you transfer those vibes to your kids, your husband, your parents.
Let's talk about the oxygen mask metaphor.
Yeah, I always talk about this whenever I'm talking to housewives very frequently. So yes, every time we fly, the air hostess always says what? Put your own oxygen mask before helping others. Even if a small baby is sitting on your lap, still what they say that use the oxygen mask for yourself first. Why? Because if you can't breathe, you can't save anyone else. It's very simple and it's the same at home. You are the oxygen. So if you are emotionally alive, everyone around you can breathe really easily and they can feel that joy.
But how do you take time without guilt? So how does a homemaker practically take space for herself without guilt?
That's really wonderful because many times we have been taught not to give ourselves a time and prioritize others first. We are always in that rush and we are always prioritizing others. First thing first. So we need to first understand that if I am happy, I can transfer the happiness. If I am healthy, I can transfer that health to my family. So it always starts with me and the ritual also comes with that. So here are 3 very simple routines that you can really follow. So 10 minutes of me time daily. Not for the things that you do at home, just for you. Sit, sip a tea or maybe write a journal, dance, whatever you like. Second thing you can do is affirm this aloud that my joy is my responsibility. I am the energy and powerhouse for this home. And third thing is remind your body that you exist first and you are not asking for a luxury, but you are asking for a need. And then things will start unfolding really soon. When you prioritize yourself, family members automatically think that, okay, that comes first. And then they also start prioritizing you first and things will change.
One powerful truth you want every homemaker to remember.
Yes, that you are not just a housewife. You are the emotional translator in your home. You are that power source. You are that powerhouse. You are the architect of the day's peace or pressure. So you are the reason why others are thriving at your home. So don't forget to feed that source. Don't forget to feel yourself first. And don't forget for that happiness, for that me time, for prioritizing your oxygen mask first.
Neha, thank you. I hope every homemaker hears this and feels seen. To everyone watching, especially the women holding entire homes in their hands, take your breath. Wear your oxygen mask. Don't pour from an empty cup. You're not just running a home, you're running the heart of it. Comment below if this touched you. Or message Neha to learn how you can start reconnecting to yourself with love, not guilt. We'll see you next time on Align and Thrive. Until then, stay soft, stay sacred, and stay alive.